Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 12.3 in the chapter area related to the circle. First problem, find the area of a shaded region in the given figure if PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, PR is equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Clear children? Any doubt in this? Okay. So, this is a circle. This is a circle. PQ is 24 centimeter. PQ is 24 centimeter and PR is 7 centimeter. PR is 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. So QR is nothing but the diameter of the circle. Clear children? So now you have to find the shaded region. How we can find the shaded region? It is easy only. So this is a diameter of a circle. So this portion will be a semicircle, no? So in this semicircle, if we prove that this is a right-angled triangle, then we can subtract in the area of a semicircle minus area of right-angled triangle. Clear children? So subtract shaded portion is equal to area of a semicircle minus area of a triangle, right angle triangle. So you have to see which is right angled triangle. If it is right angled triangle, we can apply by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So now first I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem to find the third side. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, QR, this will be the hypotenuse, no? QR square is equal to QP square plus RP square. Okay, so this only you have to find, keep that as it is. Then QP is 24 square and PR is 7 square. Next 24 square is 576 plus 49. Therefore, QR square is equal to 625. So QR is equal to root of 625 is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, QR is equal to 25 centimeter. So this is right angle triangle only. Okay. Now the diameter is 25 centimeter. Can you tell the radius value? Therefore the radius is equal to 25 divided by 2 centimeter. Keep this as it is. Clear children? So QR is 25 centimeter and R is 25 divided by 2 centimeter. Okay. Then now we have to find the shaded region. Okay. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. How we can find the shaded region? Area of a semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Okay. So area of a semicircle formula is equal to half pi r square minus area of a triangle formula is half into B into H. So what are all things we need to substitute in this step? First, r. So radius is equal to 25 divided by 2 centimeter. And what is b, children? Base is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Then h, if this is a base, and this will be the height. This will be the height. Okay. So h is equal to 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. So we know everything here now. In this step also, in this term also I have 1 by 2, and in this term also I have 1 by 2. So I am going to take the 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2. So the remaining is pi r square minus bh. Pi value is 22 by 7. Substitute that into r is 25 by 2 the whole square minus b 7 into 24. Okay, then 1 by 2. So simplify this one. This is the first term and this is the second term. First simplify this. 22 divided by 7 into 625 divided by 4 minus 108. So 7 into 24 is 108. And then multiply this one. 22 into 625 is 13,750 divided by 28 minus 108. Now take LCM. Now take LCM. The LCM is 28. So what you will get? This one you have to write as it is. Minus 108 into 28 is 4,704. Okay, then simplify carefully. Okay, so if you subtract, you will get 9,046 divided by 28. So cancel this one. 2 and 9,446. If you cancel, you will get 4,523 divided by 28. This one you can't cancel, so keep this as it is and write that centimeter square. You are finding area, so write centimeter square. So area of the shaded region. Here see the question carefully and understand, and then see how you can find the shaded region. Clear, children? Thank you.